everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on Instagram, so watch this video till the end. Instagram Live is a function that allows you to live stream or broadcast videos in real time to your Instagram followers. Live videos are displayed alongside stories directly above the main Instagram feed. Open your Instagram app on your device. Tap the plus icon on the bar below your profile or feed. Select the live option. Tap to the icon for recording. Before broadcasting, Instagram will briefly check your internet connection and you are live. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.